So as you walk in the house, you can see the different lights. RGB solar panel lights. So here it is, the installed version. This one you can see, this is the stick that goes right into the ground and you're going to be pointing it right inside. Also has the solar lights over here, and there is the button that you press on the side as well. So how do you go ahead and install this? Very good question. The first thing you want to do is to get this right out of the box itself. Next, you just remove the small film covering over here and take it out. After you do this, there is two things you have to do. One is to get two of those different hooks that are going to be included inside over here. One of them, this thing is going down, the cut over here, and the other one, this thing is going up. So you're going to be putting it like this together, sticking it all the way down until it is securely in place, and you're going to be putting this right into those 4 holes over here, and you're going to be sticking it right in. So now it is nice and secure, and you can put this right into the ground, and you do every single one of those. Now, for those of you who don't want to actually do this, want to stick it inside the wall or some other location, it does come with accessories that you can use to go ahead and hang this just about anywhere you actually like, on your deck and so on. So you have to drill in order for you to do that. But for those of you who want to just go ahead and put this on the ground, this solution is the one for you to go. So regardless of what solution you want to do, this is an awesome light and it looks amazing as well. And up close and personal, you can see how amazing this actually is built. So you can definitely tell the solar panel over here is just beautiful when it comes to the whole entire thing about. On the other side, it is easy for you to go ahead and take this on and off. Carbon fiber right on the back. Those things easily going to be put right in place. There is no need for you to use excessive force to stick this in, and yet it is super secured in place, so it's not going to accidentally go ahead and rip right out of the side of the box. But to take it off, you don't need to use too much pressure. It snaps right out of here really easily. So this is definitely something I recommend for you to use. It is easy for you to use. There is a button right here that you're going to be pressing to turn it on and off to conserve power, and it is just awesome. So the RGB color coding is awesome, and you can go ahead and set this to slow glow, such as this over here, where it changes to different colors and it looks just amazing. But if you want to set this to something else, there is a lot of different options for you. One of the options is to go ahead and just keep pressing on it until it turns off, or keep press on it and it's going to turn on. Then you can go ahead and switch either by blinking, which is one of the modes, or the different light colors that are available for you to pick from. So there are so many different colors for you to pick from, which makes it a rich and a beautiful experience where you can set your lights, night lights, to anything you actually like and desire. And whichever one is your favorite, or whichever one your mood is for, go ahead and set this on and leave it like this. This is really nice. How I went in and I was able to change this, and it looks just fabulous. Every single one of them glowing in a different light, and this is just beautiful all together. Take a look at this. Wow, the effect is just mesmerizing.